Hi, beautiful soul family of Mystic Crab. This is Sudipta, the Mystic Crab, and I'm here with your weekly reading from the 10th until the 16th of May. I hope and pray that each one of you is keeping safe and healthy. I'm sending out this prayer from my heart for healing for each one of you who is going through this deadly virus in your physical body, or even combating the turbulence it's causing in the mind. I generally have been getting this feeling from Divine. This is like a software upgrade which has been waiting for a very long time for humanity. Unfortunately, it is coming with a lot of perils and trials, and at this time all we can do is just follow the protocol, keep ourselves well hydrated, breathe, keep our minds free, try not to think too much, and keep away from media, because I feel it's creating a lot more chaos than it is actually sharing any resolution. That's also creating a lot of havoc. So try not to engage a lot in watching a lot of news. It's just confusing. Find alternative sources to get your news updates. Okay. All right, so we do have another 555 portal this week on the 14th. Another level of change coming in. We also have the new moon that's on the 11th, which is in Taurus, and this is where the new cycle begins. And Taurus is a more grounded sign, so this is where we can start grounding all our plans and strategies, as in start taking action, tangible action towards them. All right, so even if it is just practicing something you have been thinking about, say you have changed a thought pattern or a belief system, it's actually practicing it in your daily life. So it can start at that small a level. All right, having said that, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and family, and give a thumbs up to the video, so that YouTube knows that we are spreading love and light through this channel. That does help me a lot and helps me pass on the messages which come through me for the collective. Alright, so this is going to be a general reading, guys, so please take what resonates with your personal situation. And if you want to get more clarity on your own personal situation, just reach out to me. All the details are below in the description box. I'll be more than happy to help you. Alright, so let's get into this week's reading. Let's see what the dice are bringing to us. Okay, so wow, we have this eye and we have this arrow. So it's like keep your focus. It's like focus on the target. It's time for you to release the arrow. You know where the target is, release it. Keep your eyes in focus. So I think this is what I was talking about. There's this action that you need to start taking. Maybe that is getting more focused in life, being more targeted towards what you want to accomplish and achieve. So I think that's what this is talking about. So I feel for some of you, you are also going to get some form of clarity coming in with this week, because there's going to be some form of transition in your lives, in different aspects of your lives, in different forms. For some of you, this could be on a personal front. Some of you, it could be on like business front, on a professional front. So keep an eye out, because you're going to get some form of clarity, and you're also going to get this opportunity, and you can utilize this opportunity to take yourself to the next level. So I'm feeling that there's going to be one opportunity coming your way for sure. And so universe is giving you this one arrow for a breakthrough. So you have to stay focused. That's what is coming through. Also, you can work on your third eye chakra, on Ajna. That is going to help you be more present when this opportunity presents itself to you, so that you don't miss out on it. Okay, let's get some cards. I'm gonna get a card from the Soul's Journey lesson. Let's see what's going on with the collective. Spirit, what do we need to know? Self esteem. I possess gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. Some of you actually have some clarity and some gifts that, if you share with others, is going to benefit you in multiple ways. So, this could be like a business proposition that you have, and you've been planning about it, strategizing about it for a very long time. So I feel what you lack is having that faith in yourself that you'll be able, if you'll be able to do it or not. And Spirit is saying, I am giving you this arrow. Go, do it. I'm with you. Spirit is helping you. You can actually use this arrow to hit the bullseye. It's like hitting the bullseye, literally. So that is something which is coming through. Sorry about the glare, guys. Okay, let's see what else is coming through. I'm gonna get some energy cards to see where the energy is at this week for the collective. Keep hydrated, that is what I'm feeling, say a little prayer to the water when you drink it. Just ask it to protect you, to allow pran to flow through it to you, because water carries oxygen, and that is what is required for you to be able to be alive. All right, so that is something I'm picking up on for some reason. I don't know who needs to hear this. Okay, let's see what else do we have. We have anxiety over here. See, this is also related to your self-esteem. But see, in the end, this is also taking you towards a much happier phase. So what I feel is, so this low self-esteem is giving you some kind of issue where you are anxious if you are going to be happy, if you will be able to provide for your family or not. But what I am also picking up is, as you keep your eye focused on the goal and you keep on working consistently towards whatever this goal of yours is, you will reach there. You will reach there. This anxiety is a cycle which is ending. You have to end the cycle of anxiety, because this is your mind's chatter in your mind. Basically, it's something which is going on in your head. It doesn't really need to be a fact. This is just some worst case scenarios you have examined, and you are giving into that energy. Because look at this, we also have this card, a woman holding a coin. So a lot of profitability coming towards you, a lot of profit coming for you guys. So it's a great business opportunity. Whatever this idea is, once you start taking action, you are going to be coming to this place where you are financially stable. You'll be able to provide for your family. You don't have to worry about it. You're doing great job. This opportunity is something very good. It's going to be bringing a lot of abundance for you. What else? See, healer of the ages. So there's a lot of healing energy surrounding you right now. Drink a lot of water. Allow this healing energy to circulate in your body. Allow this to help you grow. Allow this to help nurture your mind, body, and soul. And stay in your strength. Every time you feel scared, just call upon your guardian angels. They are looking out for you. You are protected, and you have it in you to be able to accomplish whatever this mission you have your eye on. Also, the numbers over here, the number 5s over here, are talking about the change which is about to come into your life. You don't even know what big a change you're about to create for yourself and for others. Once you trust yourself, take this opportunity and move forward, you're going to hit the bullseye. Let's see, do we need any more cards? What else do we need? No spirit? Anything else for this week? Page of Pentacles. So this is the offer which is coming from Spirit to you. It's a new beginning that it is offering you. This is something which is going to not only bring you a lot of emotional fulfillment, this is also something which is going to spiritually fulfill you. See, this is the clarity I was talking about. There's some form of clarity of thought which is going to come in, which is going to help you take that step forwards. And this is what, see, so I've been telling you, right? Keep yourself hydrated. It's very important for the circulation of, uh, you know, oxygen throughout you, because that's how you will get to give yourself some rest, get out of that anxious energy. And when you are in that more present moment with yourself, which generally most of us get during our resting hours when we are sleeping, that's when you get this clarity. It's going to come and hit you, but you have to make space for it. It's very important for you to make space for it. Don't give in into any of those fear-based energies surrounding you. Allow yourself to be in this energy of clarity, because that's what is going to also help you strategize on your next step of actions. And look at the bottom of this deck. What do we have? We have success as the end product. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. And to love others, you have to first love yourself. First, to embrace yourself, embrace your thought, embrace all the gifts that you have, all the ideas that you have. And then the end result is sharing that love with everybody else. So, whatever this opportunity is for you, it could be about a new project, new home, new love, new business opportunity, a new idea. But this is whatever it is, the end result is success. All you need to do is believe and take your steps forward towards it. Alright, so that's what I am seeing for you guys this week. I hope this helps you get some clarity about how to move forward this week. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, I'm sending you a lot of love, light, and peace. Bye. Namaste.